Davidson has significantly impacted my life and prepared me to pursue civic innovation and social impact. My success has been made possible by the incredible opportunities I've had through the Davidson Young Ambassador Program.
I've met some of the most wonderful human beings I will probably ever have the fortune of meeting. And my friends are so kind and funny and smart that I feel so fortunate to know them. You've given me a community that I will never forget.
The Davidson Institute and all of its programs have dramatically altered my life. The Davidson Academy Online has allowed me to pursue my academic goals without being hindered by a one-size-fits-all system.
My favorite memory of being a young scholar is the summits, specifically the talent shows that we had every year. By the time that I graduated, it was a huge thing. It was one of the biggest events of the whole weekend. It was just like massive, and it was standing room only sometimes. It was a huge honor and privilege to see it grow like that, to see all the amazing talents that people have and show. You literally never know what to expect, and it's always incredible. So that's my favorite memory.
My favorite Davidson memory is really the Davidson Young Scholars gatherings. I went to one in Lake Tahoe and a few subsequent ones. And it was always just so great to connect with other young, gifted people who were so passionate, and it really rejuvenated me, and I really appreciated going to all those gatherings and meeting so many great people.
I cried happy tears when I found Davidson's site. Magic. I have good memories of our first Young Scholars Gathering in 2001 at Lake Tahoe.
Davidson creates an amazing support system that will give you lifelong skills.
From a young age, meeting other Davidson Young Scholar kids has been really fun for me. The Stars Camp was one of my favorite camps. I was like Harry Potter at Hogwarts, living in a magical place. It was an awesome experience.
This had such a profound impact on my life, being able to connect with other people that are like me and knowing I'm not alone. I've been able to make so many new friends and connect with so many people there.
Through the Davidson Ambassador Program, feel appreciated, gain confidence, and be motivated.
I have met new friends and signed up for classes I'm passionate about, such as Latin and Homer's Odyssey.
Being part of this community makes us feel seen and not alone in our parenting journey.
My favorite Davidson memory is attending the summit in 2023. It was very exciting to meet and connect with many young scholars.
I want to express my deepest gratitude to Jan and Bob Davidson. Your vision and generosity have profoundly impacted my journey, enabling me to make a meaningful difference in the world. Thank you for believing in the power of youth and for your commitment to nurturing the next generation of leaders and innovators.
Jan and Bob Davidson, thank you so much for all that you've done for me. I've benefited so much from everything that you've started and have continued. I know that so many students will going forward as well.
I would like to thank Jan and Bob Davidson for creating the Davidson Institute and all of its programs. It's because of you that we'll be able to change the world someday.
Thank you so much, Jan and Bob Davidson, for bringing the whole program together. Cannot imagine my life without it, literally.
I'm so thankful for Jan and Bob, so thankful to have met them many years ago and just be overwhelmed with their generosity and the love and kindness they exuded and they received from all of us, because we are so thankful.
Thank you, Jan and Bob, so much for all the help you provided over the years and the support and community you've developed.
Jan and Bob, thank you for recognizing the whole family is affected when learning accommodations are needed. You've helped our family in so many ways.
Thank you so much, Jan and Bob Davidson, for creating a space where young students can work on exciting and meaningful projects. This is an opportunity like no other.
Thank you to Jan and Bob Davidson for this opportunity.
Thank you, Jan and Bob Davidson, for setting this up for all the gifted children in America.
Thank you so much to Bob and Jan Davidson, as well as the entire Davidson family, for making all of this possible.
Thank you, Jan and Bob Davidson, for all the opportunities and all the friends that I've met at Davidson.
Thank you, Jan and Bob Davidson, for founding these programs.
We are grateful.
Thank you, Jan and Bob Davidson.
Happy 25th anniversary, Davidson.
Happy 25th anniversary, Davidson.
Happy 25th anniversary, Davidson.